The August Wi-Fi smart lock is smaller but smarter than its predecessors, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set it up in under 5 minutes. The August Wi-Fi smart lock is around $250 and it comes with everything you need to self-install, but you will need your own screwdriver. To get started, download the August Home app and either create an account or log in. Select Set up a device, then Set up a smart lock and click on the August Wi-Fi smart lock. It'll ask you to scan the QR code on the inside of the faceplate of the lock, and then it'll walk you through the steps to install. You can set your phone aside for now while you do the install. First, you'll need to remove your existing thumb latch by removing the screws from your deadbolt thumb turn. To keep the front of the deadbolt from falling off while you add the mounting plate, you can take a piece of tape to hold it in place. The included mounting plate has 2 adjustable screw holes so you can reposition as needed. Put the screws from the thumb latch into the front of the mounting plate and attach it by tightening the screws by hand until the mounting plate is secure. Next, choose the correct adapter based on the tailpiece shape and orientation of your deadbolt. For mine, I'm using the green adapter. Place the adapter onto the tailpiece and one of the triangle-shaped nubs will be pointing up if you've selected the right one. Next, you'll add the August lock by pulling out the wing latches on both sides and then sliding the lock over the tailpiece and attaching it to the mounting plate. Make sure the back of the lock is flush with the door and then clamp down on both wing latches to secure the lock in place. Next, press down on the August logo and grab the top of the faceplate to remove it. While holding the batteries in place, you'll need to remove the plastic battery tab. And because this lock isn't new to me, I've already done this step. Then put the faceplate back onto the August lock with the logo at the bottom. And now, your lock is installed. Now that the install is done, you'll need to calibrate your lock and connect it to your Wi-Fi in the app. So grab your phone again and hit Continue in the app, and it'll walk you through calibrating your lock by unlocking and locking it manually. Then it'll ask to connect to your Wi-Fi and you're all set. Now you can lock and unlock your door within the app. As someone who's not very home improvement savvy, this lock was actually pretty easy and quick to install. And with that, we are out of time. So again, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Do It All.